Hello students, our today's topic is default profit center to GL accounts. If you are making profit center as mandatory entry in defined documents splitting characteristics for general ledger accounting, then you may consider the following settings. You can make default profit center to GL accounts interval for each company code by using T code FAGL3KEH. The default profit center is derived under the following condition. First is no profit center is specified in the posting. Second one, a profit center cannot be derived from the cost element. For example, on the basis of the cost center or the order. Third ones, this means that derivation is only useful for profit and loss and balance sheet. And fourth one is accounts in cases where the profit center cannot be derived or specified. Fifth one is derivation occurs when the posting is made. And last one is the please note that you should only enter default profit center for accounts that are not intended for document splitting such as a cash account and bank account. For that we can use a path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transactions Document Splitting, Defined Document Splitting Characters for General Ledger Accounting. Enter SPRO in command field, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transaction, Document Splitting, Defined Document Splitting Characteristics for General Ledger Accounting. Now here remove ticks from all fields and then save it. Click on continue button. Are you sure that you want to save the changes? Yes. Click on create request. Enter your description. Define document splitting characteristics for ledger and then click on continue button. So now we will assign default profit center to account. Assign default profit center to account. The default profit center is derived under the following condition. No profit center is specified in the posting. A profit center cannot be derived from the cost element, for example, on the basis of the cost center or the order. This means that derivation is only useful for P&L and balance sheet in cases where the profit center cannot be derived or specified. So derivation occurs when the posting is made. The default profit center is derived under the following condition. No profit center is specified in posting. A profit center cannot be derived from the cost element, that is on the basis on the cost center or the order. This means that derivation is only useful P&L and balance sheet account in cases where the profit center cannot be derived. So हम लोग यहाँ पे जाएंगे pathwise SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, Profit Center, Assign Default Profit Center to Account. SAP में जाते हैं, come back and come back. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, Profit Center, and assign default profit center. Okay, click on that. Now enter your company code and click on continue button. Then click on new entries, and here from which account to which account you have to use deferred profit center. So हम देते हैं 1 lakh for cash account. Deferred profit center is PTRE1 and default for D PC01 default PC. Press enter, then click on save button. Now click on request button and enter your description. Assign default profit center to general ledger. Click on save button, click on continue button. तो यहाँ पर हमने हमारा डिफॉल्ट प्रॉफिट सेंटर असाइन कर दिया।